Welcome to Purple Shirted Nerd Math Apps. I'm excited to bring this app to you. It's definitely a departure from what I typically do. This is a very specific app for a very classic physics problem involving vectors. We're going to take a look at a tension calculator, and I'll describe that as soon as we get this open. Apologize, there is a little bit of a lag time here in our screen. But everything works very, very quickly on this. So here's the scenario for this tension calculator. Some of you may recognize it already where we're going with this because these problems do pop up. Let's say, for instance, that we're building a bridge and we're holding a mass structure of the bridge from both sides of the bridge with cranes. So we have a tension on a cable, we'll call that tension 1 and tension 2, and the mass being held in equilibrium. And if we know angle 1 and angle 2 and the mass, we can determine how much tension is on each calculator. But there's a fair amount of work behind that. Not anymore. So let's go ahead and enter values here. When I click on either angle 1, the mass, or angle 2, our number key will pop up. And I'm going to enter 68 degrees for angle 1. And when angle 1 loses focus, such as I click on angle 2, you'll see that angle 1 is drawn to scale 68. If I was to go, well, I guess I'll just do this in angle 2. Let's draw angle 2 a lot smaller. Let's make it be 40 degrees. And when I lose focus on angle 2, you'll see that's drawn in. And I think that's really nice, especially from a learning aspect, in that we can definitely determine now that the tension on 1, since we're holding this mass in the air, crane 1, tension 1 is going to be much greater than tension 2 because it's taking care of the vertical responsibilities here. Okay, let's just put in a mass. You can put in whatever you want here. I'm just going to put in 15,000 pounds or 15,000, however, whatever you want that mass to be. You can choose your unit. And then we go to calculate, and there we have it. As we suspected, our tension on 1 is quite a bit greater than our tension on 2. And we have a clear button for that, and it just resets, and you can use this over and over. This is a great teaching tool, I believe. It's obviously awesome checking your answer tool for students, and also clearly has some real-world applications. So we're very excited to be able to bring that to you. Stay tuned. We got a lot of apps coming out, hopefully going to make your life easier. Thanks a lot for viewing.